Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Back when I was using Corel Draw 2018, I think I've got 2024 now. So I think it started in 2018, and I made a video about it. It's about a project timer. If you go up here to use grayed out area and right click and click the project timer, here it is right here. But if you open it up and go to this gear looking thing, you can pick new document is created. I just checked that. So when you start a new document, so let's go to Corel and open a new document. Well, no, not even open, just say new. And you start working on it. You can see the timer is running. I don't really care, but if you're in business and it takes, get your employees to do this and, find out how long it took them to do that person's logo. How long did it take them to open up a clip art and trace it and on and on. I mean, we're in 23 seconds and I've just drawn some boxes. So then you can just, when you're through with it, you can go pause it. You could go to lunch. You could come back and turn it back on. And to me personally, I don't really care. I'm not really in business. I do a lot of drawing and a lot of teaching on Corel and helping people out. But if you're a print shop or an engraving shop and you want to find out how long it took somebody, whatever you charge your customer to if most like me, I was going to do it for free and then I'd make the money off the engraving. And a lot of people would charge for the artwork. So that's project timer, and then you could turn it off. There's a lot you could do with it. You could save it as a SVG and print it off with your file. I can imagine you could, export as a CSV and export as a text, concept, a bunch of stuff. And you can see I've got 1 minute and 11 seconds on this task. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.